It's 2 a.m. in a New York data center. A Fortune 500 company's new AI customer agent just went rogue. It's hallucinating. It's leaking private client data. And it's giving terrible financial advice. Every single minute this glitch exists, the company is bleeding $34,000. Phones are ringing. Executives are panicking. But in moments like this, the CEO doesn't call the genius who trained the model. They don't call the visionary who sold the dream. They call one person, the AI Plumber. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this role is, why it's becoming one of the highest paid no-degree careers in tech, and how you can start today. And yes, I'll break down the real US salary numbers, including why junior roles are starting at $145,000. But first, we need to understand why this job even exists. From 2023 to 2024, the world was obsessed with building AI. Everyone wanted to be an AI architect, training massive models, launching flashy chatbots. Here's the truth the industry is finally admitting. Building a model is a one-time cost. Maintaining that model is a forever cost. We are deep in the trough of disillusionment. Executives are realizing AI isn't magic, it's infrastructure. And like any building, if the pipes leak, the whole thing becomes unlivable. A company might spend $10 million to train a model once, but they spend millions every month just to run it. And when the model starts drifting, hallucinating, or leaking data, that cost explodes. So companies are quietly firing the visionaries who overpromised and hiring the fixers who keep the system running. This is where the AI Plumber comes in. You are not writing code from scratch. You manage three systems: the pipe, the filter, and the pump. First, the pipe. AI is only as smart as the data it drinks. In 2026, the #1 cause of AI failure is dirty data. An AI Plumber builds the secure tunnel that connects a company's private knowledge to the model. This is called retrieval augmented generation. Instead of guessing, the AI is fed the exact document it needs. Hallucinations stop before they start. Second, the filter. One leak of personal data can end a company. The AI Plumber installs safety valves. If the AI tries to output a credit card number, private records, or toxic content, the filter blocks it. The user never sees it. That silence is worth millions in avoided lawsuits. Third, the pump. Models get tired. It's called model drift. The world changes, but the model doesn't. Accuracy slowly drops. You monitor it in real time. When performance drops by even 1%, you get the alert. You are not guessing. You are keeping the system alive 24/7. Now let's talk numbers. In the United States, roles labeled MLOps engineer or AI platform engineer start around $145,000. Senior roles, especially in finance or healthcare, push past $250,000. And contractors, who fix broken AI systems, charge $300 to $450 an hour. Because if you stop working, the product stops working. And here's the best part. You don't need a computer science degree. You need proof of work. Learn Python and SQL. These are your wrenches. Master one cloud or Google Cloud. Just one. Then build a fix-it portfolio. Find a broken RAG pipeline. Fix it. Make it faster. Make it safer. Document the before and the after. That single case study proves you can solve a multi-million-dollar problem. The tech world is loud right now. People are scared of being replaced by AI. But technology changes. Infrastructure is eternal. Be the person who keeps the lights on. Be the person who keeps the water clean. Become the AI Plumber. This is work beyond degrees. I'll see you in the next one.